Welcome to our guide on writing a literature review. Today, we'll cover its definition, purpose, sources, structure, and key writing tips. First, let's define a literature review. It's an overview of published information in a specific subject area and a critical component of most academic papers. It includes the description, summary, and critical evaluation of selected research studies. It's not merely listing or summarizing studies. The purpose of a literature review is multifaceted. It demonstrates your knowledge of significant literature within your topic and critically evaluates existing research. It helps identify areas of previous research to contextualize your own work, describe the relationship between different studies, identify research gaps, and propose areas for further research. Sources for a literature review can include books, journal articles, reports, published dissertations, and scholarly or professional websites. A tip: always verify the validity of a source with your supervisor if in doubt. The structure of a literature review typically includes an introduction, body, and conclusion. The introduction should begin with a generalization about the field or widely known information. The body should be organized by theory or concepts, using subheadings related to research objectives. The conclusion should summarize main points, suggest future research directions, and situate your research in identified gaps. When writing the introduction, start with general knowledge about the field and present widely accepted information to set the context for your review. Developing headings from research objectives helps in organizing the body of your literature review. For example, if your research objectives are to evaluate current warehouse management practices, analyze the latest technologies, integrate innovative solutions, and identify best practices, your headings might be Current Warehouse Management Practices, Latest Technologies and Innovative Solutions in Warehouse Management, Integrating Innovative Warehouse Management Solutions, and Key Success Factors and Best Practices for Implementing Innovative Solutions. When summarizing important resources, include components like the authors and year, objectives of the study, methods used, findings, and conclusions drawn by the authors. Paraphrasing involves restating specific points from another work, while summarizing means writing the gist or main message of a source. Remember to always acknowledge sources to avoid plagiarism. Evaluating resources involves assessing the strengths and weaknesses of methods, ensuring clarity for replication, identifying limitations, noting unexpected findings, determining the scope of the study, evaluating the contribution of the paper, and suggesting improvements. Identifying research gaps means determining what has been done and what else can be done. It involves suggesting further research directions based on identified gaps. The conclusion of your literature review should summarize the main points and future research directions related to your own project. Also, mention how your study will contribute to or solve a problem in the field. For example, this chapter provided a critical analysis based on secondary resources to fulfill the aim and answer the research questions of this project. Moreover, the information was presented. Writing a literature review is a vital part of academic research. By following these guidelines, you can effectively organize and present your review. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your writing.